Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn the concept of JavaScript is called promise. As a human beings, every day we do some promises and sometime we complete the promise, sometime we reject the promise. We are not able to complete due to some reason. So the same concept is also available in JavaScript version ES6. In this concept, we can create an object of promise class like this. I say my promise and I create a new object from this promise class like this, and here I will pass the two functions, the parameter in a functions like this, resolve and reject. So in this constructor, in this class constructor, I am passing a one function, and this in one function I am passing a two functions, resolve and reject, and here I will do my coding. If I do some promises and that promise is resolved or completed, then this function will execute. But if I am not able to perform or resolve any promise, then reject will fire. So here I say I just giving a one value here like where, and I say this is check equal to true. This is the condition. Maybe in my program somewhere else this property of check become true, then resolve will execute, and if this property will false, then reject will execute. It may be any condition. Now you can take any conditions, but if the promises or the condition fulfill, then resolve will execute, otherwise reject will execute. So I am saying here, if the check equal to true, if I do my promise, then I execute resolve and I pass here I completed my promise like this. Else I say reject, I am not able to complete my promise. It is just a concept and I am trying to implement this concept, and you have to understand that how you can use this promise concept in your application. So here we have a one condition. If this condition is true, then I resolve the promise, otherwise I reject the promise. So you can perform any calculation also here, and after that you can pass the value. Whatever you want to do, you can do here. Then this object is ready, my promise. With this object I will check whether I resolve the promise or not. So here then I will check then means if I complete the promise, then I here pass the function and the value that I will get from the resolve. This value, this message which I am passing here, it will come in place of value, and then I just execute this, complete this function, and here I display console.log and I say value. Done. But if the object or error comes, if my promise is rejected, is not completed, then I can say then like this, one more function I will pass here, and I say error. I am giving the name error, and this name may be anything. You can give message, you can give anything. Just for understanding, we are saying error, and here I just display again console.log, and here I say error. And I save it and I try to run it. So okay, should be then, spelling mistake. Save it then run again. One more error. Then this should be catch. Sorry, it should be catch because it's a error. Every time we have a then, so it is then and it is catch. So this then means resolve completed, and this catch means rejected the promises and we have a error. So it is typing mistake. Once again we run it and you say I complete my promise, that means I fulfill the promise. But somewhere if I say the promise is false, is not accepted, and I try to run it, I fail. That is spelling mistake. And I say run again and you see I am not able to complete my promises. Done. So if the condition is fulfilled, then resolve the promise, otherwise reject the promise. So here in then we are passing the function, this value will come here in place of error, and the message which I am passing here in resolve, that will come in place of value. Now it is the oldest concept to use a function, but if you want to use the arrow functions, then just you remove this one function and here you put the arrow like this, and again here also you just we have to call this like this. So we are using a arrow function here and we are completing the request. Now in place of this function also I can use my arrow function like this, and here I put the arrow symbol. Here also I can remove this function keyword and here I can put the arrow function. Same, save and just run again. No changes, same output is there, but we have converted as per the ES6 arrow functions also. So like this you can see the promises has been fulfilled, resolved or rejected. Like this you can understand the concept of this promises in ES6, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.